What's going on, guys? Welcome back to your channel. So we have the final review video on the Dodge Magnum, and this thing actually turned out a lot better than I thought, being such a light color. So let's go ahead and show you what we did to it, and then we'll call this one done, and then we'll break up my post sheet. So alright, so the Revell Dodge Magnum, this is actually a very wonderful kit. Revell stopped making it, I believe, but they're still out there. Find them on eBay. If you are viewers on my channel for a while, you know this is my second one I built on the channel. The very first one was like a really light blue with black and stuff on it. That one actually turned out pretty cool, different wheels. But this one is black and carbon fiber. I mean, this one just looks fantastic. This one's actually a lot better than the one I built before, but they're both still pretty good models. And you all know I get more advanced with model building, so every model I build is getting improved. So, okay, so the body color is splash paints, white is white, a beautiful color, and it covered very well. And then the top portion is carbon fiber by Scale Motorsports. So that turned out beautiful. My original plan was just to do the hood in carbon fiber, not the roof. But I got thinking, I was like, well, what the heck? Might as well do the roof too, kind of make it like a two-tone paint job with the top part being carbon fiber and the lower part of the vehicle white. So it actually looks very good. I really thought the sunroof would give me trouble, but it actually didn't. No trouble at all. The carbon fiber decal went on there perfectly. So that's the outside. Well, in the wheels, the aftermarket wheels, I think they're Hiroshima Bugles, so they're actually very cool wheels. I love how it's a two-piece wheel, where the one piece is the actual wheel and the chrome is separate. So I went ahead and shook the chrome in the wheel, obviously, and then I painted black and cleared it and left the outside chrome. I mean, that right there just suits it. It really looks good. The tail lights, I did see some aftermarket taillights from these Dodge Magnums. Some of them are actually clear, so that's what I did, because it's a light color. Well, it needs clear taillights, so that actually looks very cool. From the kit itself, the windows, the back windows, and the sunroof is all tinted for you. That makes it very convenient. Then the front windows obviously not tinted. But then the grill, I actually did something different to the grill. This is really all one piece down here too. It's never open, so I went ahead and opened it, and did one of these aftermarket bumpers or grills what they offer, and they actually look very cool. So, and I put some mesh in there, and it makes it really pop. It really looks very good. So that's pretty much about the outside. Let's go ahead and move on to the interior. The interior is two-tone black and brown, Tamiya brown, and it actually looks pretty good. And the dashboard and stuff is all black. Very nice interior. The interior looks fantastic. I love the interior in this. The trunk does open, but I don't want to pop it open because it's kind of difficult to do without an exact blade. So I'll throw a picture on screen for you guys right now. But yeah, the interior looks fantastic. I just love the interior. Pretty much the whole model, like outside and this thing is just beautiful. The engine is a beautiful Hemi in there. I'm not gonna open the hood either because it is very hard. Yeah, I would just put a picture on the screen for you guys. But there's a beautiful 6 point something liter engine there. 6.1, I believe. 6.1, yeah, 6.1 liter Hemi engine in there. I mean, that's a beautiful engine by Revell. I mean, pretty much this whole kit is just beautiful. I just love how it turned out, especially with the black and, well, carbon fiber and the white theme. I mean, this just looks fantastic with the black wheels. Oh my gosh, this build just looks fantastic. I just basically love what I did to the grill. I mean, that just that just opens everything up and just makes it pop. The underbelly of the car is body color, and then there's some black accents here, like the gas tank and the spare wheel and all that good stuff. So nothing too special on the underbelly, but overall, a beautiful kit by Revell. This kit does come with metal tubes for the exhaust. I just love that addition. That's very cool. But I think that's pretty much about it. Overall, a beautiful kit. It's a cool wagon. You don't see too many wagon kits out there for models, so this is definitely one of them I must say you have to pick up, because it's actually a very cool kit by Revell. I mean, no fitment issues. I didn't have a single fitment issue. Everything went together beautiful. Bumpers to the engine to the interior, nothing, no issues. The interior slides into the interior and chassis slides into the body, no problem. You don't really have to do any pushing or shoving on the body. It really just slides right in and it stays in. So, but other than that, that's pretty much about it. Overall, a beautiful car, beautiful kit, and I just love how I did to it, especially this white. I never thought I would do a white model before, but here it is. And don't be surprised, this is my last light. This will be my last light color car. See, you're gonna see on the channel. I guess it might be. I don't know. But I did a white car, so those who say I can do dark colors, I can't stop making do dark colors. Well, there you go. I did a white car. So, but obviously I had to do some black accents in there. So that doesn't make up for it, does it? But other than that, that's pretty much about it for this Magnum. I'm going to have a slideshow of it in the photo booth at the end of the video, and go to my other channel if you want to see the full slideshow of this thing being built from Instagram pictures. But other than that, guys, and until my next video, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.